Ah, okay. Just one or two?
Okay.
Yeah, because it's too small. No, just take away.
Okay. 2 pieces. Where from?
Korea?
Korean.
Oh, really? Yes. I'm a big fan of Korea. You know K-pop? Oh, yeah, of course. You like BTS? Yes, of course.
Zaten bir bizi kullan etti. Bilirsen. Yok abi.
How much is it?
Ne kadar geldi abi? 10 lira.
How many spoons?
Merhaba. This is kilim.
Killing?
Yes. If you like floor or hang on the wall.
Ah, okay.
I have smaller than this and bigger than this.
You call this killing?
This is means kilim.
Aha, okay.
Kilim reversible
Uh-huh.
and carpet is just one side.
Ah, okay. So killing is two-way.
Yes.
Aha, okay.
And this is carpet.
This is carpet. Carpet는? Okay.
Winter time is better also.
Yeah. But this is for all season.
Yes.
Ah, how much is this?
This one 1,000 Turkish lira. About one woman, about 1 month to make it.
Wow. Carpet and killing.
And I have smaller than this.
Uh-huh.
Of course, it's a little bit cheaper.
Okay.
This is Gigi.
This is Gigi.
Yes. First of all, it's kilim, then embroidered
Ah.
on the top also. You know?
So it's reversible?
No, this is only one
Only
side.
one side?
Yes, because Gigi is one side.
Ah, okay.
Only kilim is
Uh-huh.
reversible.
Uh-huh.
But this is most expensive one.
Ah, okay.
Because this is one woman,
Uh-huh.
about 3 months to make it.
Wow. So it's embroidered.
Yes, 100% wool
Uh-huh.
and handmade also.
Wow. How much is this?
In lira or
Lira.
lira. This is 4,000 Turkish lira.
Oh, wow.
But normally this one is this quality, this material is 4,000 nothing.
Ah,
Because one woman is 3 months, you know.
okay.
This is similar killing.
Hmm. This is, yeah, I used to have 100 pieces.